Hey there, welcome to my Phantom Mint review. In this video, we're diving deep into exactly how this system works, what the business model is, and the pros and cons of this approach to crypto. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm John from Honest Reviews. I've seen a lot of systems come and go, so hopefully my experience can help you out as you research Phantom Mint. Now, Phantom Mint is a system created by James and Max, a well-known team in the product launch world. Their products usually rank high on the leaderboards, and customers seem quite satisfied with their training. What I like about their approach is that it's heavily focused on over-the-shoulder training. Instead of just selling you some fancy new software, they're guiding you through the process step by step. This isn't your typical affiliate marketing or e-commerce course. Phantom Mint focuses on the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically meme coins. The core idea is to learn how to create your own meme coins. You'll discover how to leverage specific platforms and blockchains to launch your own unique coins. Build a community around your coin. This is crucial. You'll learn how to generate buzz, attract investors, and build a loyal following. Utilize AI tools. Discover how to use AI to create compelling visuals for your coin, which is a major factor in its success. Stay anonymous. Learn how to operate in the crypto world while maintaining your privacy. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need to create my own meme coin? Well, even if you don't plan on launching your own, understanding this process can be incredibly valuable. You'll gain a deeper understanding of how meme coins work. This knowledge can help you identify potential gems early on and make smarter investment decisions. Crypto communities. You'll learn how these communities are built and how to spot the ones with the most potential. The psychology of crypto investing. You'll gain insights into what drives investors and how to capitalize on market trends. Look, the crypto world is constantly evolving. Phantom Mint provides a structured approach to learning about this exciting space. If you're intrigued by the potential of crypto and want to learn more about meme coins, I encourage you to check out the official Phantom Mint website. Disclaimer: cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.